So in this video, we're looking at the difference between marked and unmarked junctions. So first of all, I want to point out a marked junction for give way. Now, if you notice that there is no sign, there's no give way sign, but you can see the 5 hazard warning lines and then the double lines on the left and the single lines on the right. Okay, so we get used to seeing these slowing down and giving way. Now, the other kind of crossroads junctions are what they call unmarked. Now, the reason why they're unmarked is because the road designers think that the road is not that busy, so why spend the money on painting the road? Because everything they do to the road, signs and markings, all cost money. So if we're going to look now at some unmarked junctions, which you can just see below you, okay? Now, we know that they do use these on the driving test from Cobridge. So you need to be aware, make sure you're looking to see that it's clear because nobody has right of way on these junctions. So we're looking at this across now. Okay, this is the road and there are no markings on. Okay, as we carry on through now, you'll see that there are no markings for the crossroads, but the way you can tell is look at the houses, look where there's a break, and this is where your awareness and planning needs to be high because it's very easy just to drive through these and not notice. If everyone's aware, these become safe. So I hope this video helps. We're going to put the name of the street and the Google Map link so you can practice this on your lessons.